I am Jalaluddin Bishwash, assistant teacher of Badapur Primary School, Govindu Rasbari. Now I am presenting my English class. My class unit 17, lesson 1 to 6. Previous class we knew various kind of magazine. Sports magazine is one of them. Students, how are you? How are you everybody? I hope you are also fine and safe during Corona period. I am very fine. Students, look at the picture. Look at the picture and think about this. 1 minute please. Here, kabaddi, cycling, weightlifting, badminton, volleyball, cricket, swimming, football. Totally we can say sports competition. Students, look at this symbol. What is this symbol? Who can say? Raise your hand. Thank you. This is Olympic Games, the symbol of Olympic Games. Who can say what is Olympic? Olympic is the biggest sports competition in the world. Students, here is some new word. Here is some new word. This nation. Firstly, I individually say nation, nation, nation. Say with me nation, nation, nation. Nation means the people of a country. The people of a country. Say with me the people of a country. Students, look at this. Different. Different. Different means not same. Not same. Say with me. Different, not same. Competition. Competition. Say with me. Competition. Competition. Competition means a contest among many persons or countries. A contest among many persons or countries. Modern. Modern. You can say with me modern. Modern. Modern means recent or up to date. Recent or up to date. Students, look at this. Compete. Look at this. Compete. Compete. Compete means to take part in a competition. To take part in a competition. Student, look at this pushboard, please, and see this card. See this word card very carefully. Now we are going to play a game. This game name is Kim game. Okay, student, when I say close your eyes, everybody close your eyes. When I say open your eyes, everybody open your eyes. Okay, everybody close your eyes. Open your eyes. Who can say what word is missing here? You say? Okay, everybody clap for her. Competition. Competition is missing here. Everybody again, close your eyes. Open your eyes. What is missing here? Thank you. Everybody clap for him. Modern. Modern is missing here. Everybody close your eyes. Open your eyes. What word is missing here? Competing. Compete. Compete is missing here. Everybody close your eyes. Open your eyes. Which letter is missing here? Which word is missing here? Please. Nation. Okay, everybody. Sir, okay. Everybody open your book at page 61. First I individually read this passage and everybody listen to me and put your finger on the underline of this passage. The Olympic Games is the biggest sports competition in the world. The Olympics are held every 4 years in a different host city. More than 2,200 nations sent a total of about 13,000 nations to compete in more than 30 different sports. The first Olympic Games were held in Greece almost 3,000 years ago. The modern Olympic Games start in 1896 and there have been 31 Olympics competition since then. Everybody say with me, the Olympic Games is the biggest sports competition in the world. The Olympics are held every 4 years in a different host city. More than 200 nations sent a total of about 30,000 athletes to compete in more than 30 different sports. The first Olympic Games were held in Greece almost 3,000 years ago. The modern Olympic Games start in 1896 and there have been 31 Olympics competition since then. Students, open your exercise book with pen. Just write down on your khata some question. Please. How many countries compete how many countries competes in the Olympic. One question. 2. How many nations? How many nations compete in Olympic? Number 3 question. When was the first Olympics? Everybody write down your khata. Number 1 question. How many countries compete in the Olympics? Number 2. How many nations compete in the Olympics? When was the first Olympic? Please answer the question, please. Number 1 question. How many countries compete in the Olympics? There are 200 countries compete in the Olympics. Answer. How many nations compete in the Olympics? There are 200 nations compete in the Olympics. When was the first Olympic? The first Olympic were held in Greece almost 3000 years ago. In 1896. In 1896. Students, open your khata and write. Now write a short composition on the Olympics, at least 5 sentences. Olympics game. Everybody write a short composition about the Olympic Games, at least 5 sentences. This is your homework. Everybody, no more today. Thank you, everybody. Stay safe. Don't outside. Stay on your home and safe. Wash your hand regularly with soap and hand sanitizer. Use mask, not your hand. When you are coughing or sneezing, not use your hand, use tissue or handkerchief. Everybody, thank you.